If you're wondering how to add images and videos to your GetResponse emails, you're in the right place. This quick explainer will show you the easiest ways to enhance your email campaigns with media, boosting engagement, and making your messages stand out. First, let's dive into how to add an image. It's pretty straightforward in GetResponse. Open your email editor and select the location where you want to insert your image. Simply drag an image block from the left-hand side menu and drop it into your email layout. Then, click on the image block and you'll be prompted to upload your image from your computer or select one from the GetResponse image library. The platform supports most file types, so you won't run into issues here. You can adjust the size and alignment of your image easily once it's uploaded, making it simple to tailor it to your design. Next thing, let's talk about adding a video. Unlike images, GetResponse doesn't directly host video files, but you can easily embed a video in your email by using a thumbnail image linked to your video. To do this, you first need to upload an image that will serve as your video's thumbnail. Then, click on the image block where you'd like to add it and upload the image. After that, click on the image and choose the option to link it. Paste the URL of your video, whether it's from YouTube, Vimeo, or your hosting platform, into the link field. Now, when your recipients click on the image, they'll be redirected to the video. It's that simple. The third thing is making sure your images and videos look good across devices. This is crucial, as more and more people are opening emails on their phones. In the email editor, you can preview your email on both desktop and mobile views. Ensure that the images and videos are responsive, meaning they'll adjust automatically to fit different screen sizes. This is important because a distorted image or video might make recipients lose interest. Next thing, let's look at optimizing your media files. You want to ensure that your images and videos load quickly in your emails. Large files can slow down the loading time, which is a big turnoff for your audience. Resize your images to the recommended dimensions and compress them to keep the file sizes down without losing quality. For videos, since you can't upload them directly, using a platform that streams your videos efficiently is key. Make sure the video you're linking to is high quality, but doesn't require a long loading time. Now, what about email testing? Before you send your email with images and videos, make sure you test it. GetResponse allows you to send test emails so you can see exactly how your media appears to your subscribers. This ensures that there are no surprises, and your images and videos look perfect on every device. Finally, as we wrap up this quick explainer, it's important to mention that while GetResponse offers solid features for adding images and videos, it does have some limitations in terms of video integration. If you're looking for a more seamless and versatile email marketing solution that provides better video options and other advanced media features, stick around for some alternatives I'll mention shortly. So, there you have it. You now know how to add images and videos to your GetResponse emails. But here's the thing, while GetResponse does the job, we've found some alternatives that might be better suited to your needs, especially if you're focused on using media effectively to increase engagement. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial of GetResponse, as well as some amazing alternatives that could provide more flexibility, especially for media-heavy email campaigns. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can test them out and see what works best for your business. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check out the links below for your exclusive offers.